What's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Jackson. I am a financial advocate and a YouTube influencer. Good day everyone. So, actually, today excited ang pag-usapan natin today dahil makikilala natin today ang mga richest people all over the world. So, right now, this vlog will be talking about the top 25 richest men in the world. If you are new to my channel, actually guys, this channel is more on tutorials, motivations, about financial literacy, and success stories. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para update ka lagi sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Actually guys, sa channel na to, I really give value sa mga viewers ko. Kaya lahat ng in-upload ko is more on education, paano ko makatulong sa ibang tao through my videos. Please support me so that I can continue my mission in inspiring other people. Yes guys, so actually guys, ang pag-uusapan natin today ay the top 25 richest men in the world as of 2020. Actually right now, siguro nasa isip mo, sino kaya yung mga top 25 richest men in the world. So actually, kung anong nasa isip mo ngayon, so yan, malalaman natin yan along the video. So don't skip guys, and this video, this might inspire you to do better and to do good in life, and most especially to strive harder to become like them. And by the way guys, I just want to give credit to wealthygorilla.com, especially to Don Western, for this amazing article. So ngayon guys, pag-usapan na natin ang the top 25 richest men in the world. There's been a huge fluctuation in the net worth of these billionaires in the past year. The stats given here in regards to net worth have come from Forbes directly. These are the top 25 richest people in the world in 2020. Top 25. Colin Zheng Wang. Zheng is a Chinese businessman and founder CEO of the Chinese e-commerce company Pinduoduo. Despite the website only being created in 2015, it had an annual revenue of $280 million in 2017 and has rapidly made Zheng one of the richest people in the world. As of 2020, Zheng net worth is estimated to be $35.6 billion. Top 24. If you are driving a Tesla car, and then baka alam mo kung sino may-ari ng Tesla, he is none other than Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a South African-born Canadian-American engineer, industrial designer, and tech entrepreneur. If you're excited about the future of the world, you'll probably have seen Musk everywhere. Musk founded PayPal, and also the founder of Tesla, SpaceX, the Boring Company, and Neuralink. As of 2020, Elon Musk's net worth is estimated to be $36.7 billion. Top 23. He is Phil Knight. Phil Knight is an American business magnate and philanthropist. Knight co-founded Nike Inc. and currently serves as chairman of the company. We're all aware of who Nike are, even when we're only shown the logo. As of 2020, Phil Knight's net worth is estimated to be $37.7 billion, making him the 23rd richest person in the world. Top 22. He is actually well known in Asian countries and specifically in China. He is none other than Jack Ma. Jack Ma is the founder of Alibaba, and although he's been one of the richest people in Asia for several years, he's only just made it onto the list of the richest people in the world this year. Jack Ma was rejected from multiple jobs, including KFC when it was first introduced to China. Today, Jack Ma's net worth is estimated to be $41.3 billion, which put him 4 spots lower on the list this year at 22nd. And Jack Ma quoted, "A leader should have higher grit and tenacity and be able to endure what the employees can't." Top 21. Ma Wating. Ma Wating is a Chinese business magnate, investor, philanthropist, engineer, internet and technology entrepreneur. He is also the founder of Tencent, which is the most valuable company in Asia. Wating is another of the richest in Asia, who made it in this list for the first time last year, and now appears 21st with an estimated net worth of $46.4 billion in 2020. Top 20. Julia KOCH. Julia Koch was the wife of the late David Koch, who owned Koch Industries alongside his brother Charles. After his death in 2019, Julia and their 3 children inherited a 42% stake in the company. Top 19. Charles Koch. Charles Koch is an American businessman and philanthropist. Koch is the co-owner and CEO of Koch Industries. Koch Industries now includes process and pollution control equipment and technologies, polymers and fibers, minerals, fertilizers, commodity trading and services, forest and consumer products, and ranching. Koch made this year's list of the richest people, and with an impressive net worth of $46.5 billion. Top 18. Mackenzie Bezos. Mackenzie Bezos is an American novelist and philanthropist. She was the wife of Jeff Bezos, founder of Amazon. After their divorce, Mackenzie received a 4% stake in Amazon, which was worth about $35 billion at the time. As of 2020, Mackenzie Bezos' net worth is estimated to be $47.8 billion. Top 17. Carlos Slim Hello. Carlos is a Mexican businessman and investor, owner of the conglomerate Grupo Carso. The conglomerate's portfolio consists of brands in many different industries, such as healthcare, media, energy, real estate, and retail. Carlos is 17th on this list of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of $51.2 billion. His net worth has taken a huge hit recently by about $13 billion. And our top 16, Mukesh Ambani. Mukesh Ambani is an Indian business magnate, currently chairman, managing director, and largest shareholder of Reliance Industries Limited, RIL. Ambani has been the richest man in Asia for a while now, and this year is moving up on the list of the richest worldwide. As of 2020, Mukesh Ambani's net worth is $52.7 billion. And Ambani quoted, "Today, I see a billion people as a billion potential customers, an opportunity to generate value for them and to make a return for myself." And our top 15 is Francois Bettencourt MEYERS. Francois Bettencourt MEYERS became the reigning Loyal heiress when her mother Lillian Bettencourt passed away in 2017. She now runs the holding company as chairwoman, with her family owning 33% of Loyal. As of 2020, Francois Bettencourt MEYERS' net worth is estimated to be $54.2 billion. Top 14 is S. Robson Walton. Rob Walton is the eldest son of Sam Walton and served as the chairman for Walmart after his father's death up until 2015. Furthermore, he briefly surpassed his brother Jim recently on the list of the richest people in the world. However, he's now fallen back to his original spot. Up next, top 13 is Alice Walton. Alice Walton is the daughter of Sam Walton, an heiress to the Walmart fortune. She founded the Yama company in 1988, but it has since closed down. Today, Alice Walton's net worth is estimated to be $55 billion, making her the 13th richest person in the world and the richest woman in the world. Alice quoted, "I know the price of lettuce. You need to understand price and value. You buy the best lettuce you can at the best price you can." And top 12 is Jim Walton. Jim Walton is the son of Sam Walton, who was the founder of the world's largest retail chain, Walmart. He is on the Walmart board of directors and CEO of his own company, Ivest Bank. In 2020, Jim Walton's net worth is $55.2 billion. And top 11 is Michael Bloomberg. Michael Bloomberg is an American entrepreneur and politician. He is the founder and CEO of Bloomberg LP, the financial data and media company. He is now 70 years old and one of the richest people in the world. He has added another $14 billion to his net worth recently, which has caused him to move up to 11th on this list. His net worth is now estimated at $59.7 billion. And top 10 is Amancio Ortega. Amancio Ortega is a Spanish entrepreneur and founder of the Inditex fashion group. Inditex owns Zara, and Zara is one of the most popular clothing chains worldwide. Ortega was once the 5th richest man in the world. However, he's recently lost almost $20 billion of it, or 25%, which is one of the biggest losses in 2020 thus far. As of 2020, Amancio Ortega's net worth is estimated to be $60.5 billion. Top 9 is Sergey Brin. Sergey Brin and Larry Page co-founded Google back in 1998 in just a small, simple garage. The duo have taken Google to the top, putting Sergey Brin right behind Page in this list of the richest people worldwide. As of 2020, Sergey Brin's net worth is roughly $61.3 billion. Top 8 is Larry Page. Larry Page is the co-founder of Google, which was founded back in a garage in 1998. Google, no doubt, has become the most successful search engine in the world, and the company has gone on to make various acquisitions such as YouTube. Google's success has made Larry Page one of the richest people in the world, and his net worth is estimated to be $63.6 billion. Top 7 is Steve Ballmer. Steve Ballmer is the current owner of the NBA's Los Angeles Clippers, and he is also the former CEO of Microsoft. As of 2020, Steve's net worth is estimated at $65.4 billion, making him the 7th richest person in the world. And top 6 guys is Larry Ellison. Larry Ellison is a co-founder of the Oracle Corporation, and he was also the company's CEO until September 2014. Over the years, Oracle has become an incredibly successful tech company, now being 39 years old and employing over 136,000 people. Larry Ellison is the 6th on this list of the richest people in the world, with a net worth of $66.4 billion. And our top 5 is Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is an American entrepreneur and investor, and CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. Buffett is the most successful investor worldwide, and millions of other traders look up to him because of his success. Warren Buffett is the 5th richest man in the world, with an incredible net worth of $89.9 billion. However, despite this fact, Buffett still lives in the home he purchased back when he didn't even know what $1 billion looked like. Warren Buffett quoted, "I will tell you how to become rich. Close the doors. Be fearful when others are greedy. Be greedy when others are fearful." Top 4? Okay, actually guys, he's up. We are using it daily, and he's none other than Mark Zuckerberg. We all know Mark Zuckerberg as the founder of Facebook. Facebook has become the most popular and most valuable social media company in the world, and it all started in Mark's dorm room at Harvard University. Zuckerberg has regained the major net worth loss he suffered after the Cambridge Analytica data scandal and various other issues causing the Facebook stock prices to fall. Mark is now the 4th richest man in the world, with an estimated net worth of $86.5 billion. Mark Zuckerberg quoted, "When you give everyone a voice and give people power, the system usually ends up in a really good place. So, what we view our role as is giving people that power." Top 3 is Bernard Arnault. Bernard Arnault is the CEO of LVMH, Louis Vuitton Moet Hennessy. Ultimately, the company was formed from merging the two businesses together. Louis Vuitton is the very successful luxury fashion brand, and Moet Hennessy is the merged champagne and cognac manufacturers. Bernard has been making serious movements up this list in the past year. In fact, at the beginning of 2017, he was at 14th. Now, a full 3 years later, he's placed at 3rd on the list of the 25 richest people on Earth in 2020, and his net worth $94.1 billion. Top 2. Guess who? He is actually Bill Gates. Bill Gates is the founder of Microsoft and was the richest man in the world for several years running. Gates founded Microsoft in 1975 with Paul Allen and has since become the largest PC software company worldwide. Gates' net worth has been pretty stagnant since he reached the $100 billion mark. As of 2020, Bill Gates' net worth is estimated to be $106.5 billion. Gates quoted, "Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose." And the top one is Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos is the founder of Amazon, one of the biggest and most popular companies on the web. Amazon started as a simple online bookstore in Jeff's bedroom, and the initial sales were slow. In 2020, Jeff Bezos has become the richest man in the world after adding a whopping $40 billion to his net worth last couple of years. Amazon is making major moves after recently acquiring Whole Foods, launching drone shipping, and a bunch of other strong ideas. Bezos recently divorced his wife McKinsey, after which she received 4% of Amazon, which is worth billions, and yet it still hasn't knocked him off the top spot. Jeff Bezos is the first man ever to reach the $100 billion mark, which is just insane, and many believe he'll become the world's first trillionaire. As of 2020, his net worth is $146.9 billion. Jeff quoted, "There are two kinds of companies, those that work to try to charge more, and those that work to charge less. We will be the second." So yun guys, so sila yung top 25 richest men in the world. So diba, nakaka-inspired silang lahat. So hopefully one day, tayo rin ay maging tulad nila. Why not, diba? So if we strive hard, if we do our best, so malay natin someday, we'll be like that. And guys, if you want to have more information, you can visit wealthygorilla.com. And guys, kung gusto matuto about savings and investments, so pakiclick lang po ng link na nasa description. So yung link na yun guys, that is about financial literacy and about investments and savings. So guys, so here in my channel, I always give value sa mga viewers ko, kaya I always upload videos na more on motivations, success stories about business and about financial. So guys, so please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button para update ka lagi sa mga videos na i-upload ko. And guys, pwede kayo mag-comment any questions at sasagutin natin yan. And see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. God bless.